mission of Cellini Purification Systems Incorporated is to be acknowledged as the leader of liquid purification and separation technology. We believe no issue is more important than the protection of our water resources. Water is no longer expendable. Our rivers, lakes, and streams can no longer be considered dumping grounds for industrial waste. Our first priority at Cellini Purification Systems is to help industry comply responsibly with environmental policy in a cost-effective manner. With the rising cost of water and sewer discharge rates, the necessity for water rationing, and increasingly more stringent environmental protection discharge regulations, industries requiring large quantities of processed water are looking for an economically viable solution to the problem of hazardous waste generation through the recovery of reusable processed chemicals and rinse water. Controlled Atmosphere Separation Technology, CAST, designed and fabricated by Cellini Purification Systems, offers an excellent alternative to conventional waste treatment. Each system is custom engineered to provide closed-loop, zero-discharge operation. Closed loop implies a self-contained system in which there is no waste. In most electroplating applications, both plating chemicals and rinse water can be recovered for immediate reuse. A CAST chemical recovery system is currently operating at Quality Rolling and Deburring Company of Thomaston, Connecticut. The system was initially used to recover the processed water from a mechanical zinc plating line for immediate reuse and to return a concentrated aqueous-based product for reclamation. After 5 months of successful operation and evaluation, the CAST system exceeded all of Quality's expectations. As a result, the system was then removed from the zinc plating line and reconfigured for use in a zero-discharge chromating application. The water produced by the system was to be returned for immediate reuse in the chromating rinse tank. The recovered chromating solution was to be returned directly to the chromating bath. Absolutely no measurable quantity of chrome could be tolerated in the rinse water. Laboratory analysis performed by McDermott Incorporated of Waterbury, Connecticut, a leading supplier of metal finishing products, showed that the actual chrome concentration in the rinse water was 0.15 parts per million from the 500 part per million process solution, or a 99.997% rejection of chrome ions. The Cellini CAST system performed so well that Quality decided to expand its operation to include the chromating process. If all this sounds too good to be true, there is more to the Cellini success story at Quality. In early January of 1992, Quality shut down their chromating operation in preparation for relocating and updating the line. At Quality's request, the CAST system was placed in service on their existing nickel chloride plating line. This line consists of 8 250-gallon plating tanks, followed by 3 250-gallon counterflow rinse tanks. The line processes 72 barrels per 18-hour day, or approximately 12,600 pounds of product per day. Previous recovery efforts consisted of a large ion exchange system with chemical regeneration, electrolytic metal recovery, and a drag-out tank, the use of all of which has been discontinued since placing the CAST system online. The CAST system takes its process solution feed from the first rinse tank. The system returns concentrated plating solution to the plating tanks and clean rinse water to the last rinse tank. The Cellini CAST system is currently the sole source of rinse water for this operation.
The first beaker contains the plating solution itself. It has approximately 60,000 parts per million. The second beaker represents the drag-out tank. This beaker has approximately a 30,000 parts per million concentration. This beaker represents the first rinse, which has approximately 15,000 parts per million. The last tank is the water generated from the Cellini CAST system, which has less than 30 parts per million.
With the use of the CAST system, Quality's waste treatment plant experienced a 40% reduction of nickel ion in its waste stream and a total throughput reduction of 2,200 gallons per day. The required addition of nickel plating chemistry to the plating tanks has been notably reduced. These items, plus the reduction of labor to monitor and maintain these items, represent a cost savings of several $100s per week. Quality's personnel described the system's operation on their nickel line as nothing short of excellent. Additionally, Division Manager Jim Schroeder had this to say about the Cellini system.
What I really like about this system is all you have to do is turn it on and walk away.
With a CAST system, it is possible to recover the valuable chemical components as well as the water or other solvents from many industrial process solutions, eliminating the cost of waste treatment, waste disposal, sewer discharge, and lost chemicals and water. The simple, rugged construction, low maintenance costs, highly reliable components, minimal capital construction costs, automation, and ease of operation assure the successful integration of this system in a chemical recovery waste reduction program. We at Cellini believe that recovery, not waste